Hello, it's Marcus Adkins with Orlando Microgreens, and today I wanted to quickly go over with you our 4 most popular and profitable microgreens. So stick around, we'll get right to it. Okay, so as you know, we've been in business since COVID, so we're about 6 months into business. We have been doing farmers markets for about 2 months now. They've been going really well. We have a handful of restaurants and chefs we're working with. I want to show you what's been the most popular and what we've been growing the most of. Starting with number 4. That's going to be our sunflower microgreens. Now I know some people say these are their most popular. That's probably partially because I haven't been growing them that much. They had given me some challenges in the beginning. I don't know if it was a batch of seeds that weren't doing so good for me, but when I switched back to the True Leaf seeds, they started growing pretty well again. And now I'm getting more and more orders for them now that I've been offering them and I do show up at the farmer's market with them. So these guys have a lot of great nutritional benefits. I'll list those right here. And then on to number 3. Number 3 is our radishes. These are partially number 3 because the top 3 are what I use in my salad mix. And the chef love them because they're beautiful pink stems and bright green leaves. And they're beautiful as the traditional microgreen used as a garnish. But I do use these in my salad mix. And I'll show you the other 2 that we put in our salad mix, which is one of my most popular sellers is our salad mix. So we have been talking about other mixes that we're going to put together. I'll lead into those in just a minute. And our number 2 is going to be peas. I love the peas too. We end up putting those in a lot. It's a great base for a salad. It is the base for my salad mix. I got the peas, the radish, and our number 1, which I'll show you next. And they have some great benefits as well. I'm gonna list all those here. And these taste great all by themselves. Like I said, they taste great as the base of a salad, which is the way we eat them. They do go great in smoothies, and they're a beautiful garnish for a chef. Chefs love them to line the plate and use it, like, again, as a traditional garnish. And our number 1 is broccoli. People come back for the broccoli over and over again every week. And we do have our salad mix, which is peas, radish, and broccoli. That's always everybody's go-to when they come and they're not quite sure what they want. So they do grab that. And again, we're gonna start experimenting with more mixes, see what kind of salad mixes and chef blends we can come up with. And I'll list some of the microgreen benefits of broccoli right here. Broccoli is one of the most studied of the microgreens. So the nutritional benefits of broccoli are through the roof, and plus, as I said, they are definitely one of the most studied, so you hear the most about them. Now, some of the other things that are gaining really quick popularity at the farmer's market, and again, this is kind of because how often I bring it out and how much I grow for every week, but that is gonna be our mustard, wasabi. A lot of the chefs are enjoying this because it does have a great flavor to go in and add that spice. It actually goes really good on a steak, definitely in every other way, like on your eggs, on your sandwiches. And another honorable mention would be the red acre cabbage. Has a beautiful purple stem and dark green shiny leaves. So this goes amazing with the chefs. The benefits of these are through the roof as well, as you can see. Any cabbage, especially any kind of red cabbage. So if you guys leave in a comment below, what are your most popular varieties? What do you grow the most? What are the mixes that you're using for your salad mixes and your chef mixes? Thanks for joining us. Have a beautiful day.